Hey, it's Texoid. If you're an AT&T customer, you might have heard of the ActiveArmor app. Let's talk about what it is, what it does, and whether it's worth using. What is AT&T ActiveArmor? AT&T ActiveArmor is a free security app for AT&T wireless customers. Its main job is to protect your phone from spam calls, data threats, and suspicious activity. Think of it as a digital shield that runs in the background. It helps block annoying robocalls, warns you about unsafe websites, and monitors your device for any risky behavior. What does the AT&T ActiveArmor app do? Here's what you get with ActiveArmor: spam call blocking. It automatically blocks or flags suspicious calls. Caller ID. You can see who's calling, even if they're not in your contacts. Security alerts. It warns you if a data breach might affect your accounts. Wi-Fi protection. It checks if the Wi-Fi network you're on is secure. Breach reports. You'll get notified if your email or personal info shows up in a data leak. If you use Android, the app can even scan for harmful apps installed on your phone. Is AT&T ActiveArmor app free? Yes. The basic version of ActiveArmor is free for all AT&T wireless users. There's also a premium version called ActiveArmor Advanced. That adds more tools like reverse number lookup, public Wi-Fi protection, identity monitoring, advanced spam controls. The premium plan costs around $3.99 a month, and it gets billed with your AT&T service. Do you need it? If you're tired of spam calls or worried about security, it's worth trying. It's simple to use and doesn't slow down your phone. Even the free version does a decent job of cutting out the noise. I personally think it's a no-brainer if you're already paying for AT&T service. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Final thoughts. So that's what AT&T ActiveArmor is. It's a free app that gives your phone an extra layer of protection. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's available on both Android and iOS. Just search for AT&T ActiveArmor in the App Store or Play Store. Thanks for watching.